and I'm gonna open all these today. And I don't know what's inside, so I'm gonna open them. Sorry I did that because I'm just doing that to my uncle. Okay, and I'm gonna get all these out of the jar. Don't know. Or should we just leave it? No. Okay. I don't know the names, so I just put them all down. Oh my god, Paul Pizza's stuck. Some of them are. Okay, as I just said, that was Paul Pizza. Terry Taco. And I don't know where one is. Okay, if I just get all these out, oh my god. I have to shake them and put my hand in. Okay, this might take a while. Oh my god. Watching that they don't go under the safety. It's really hard. Oh yeah, they all out. That's a lot of Shopkins. Don't need that. Just put that out and lid on. Okay. Now they're all out, I can just put them all down. Okay. Pepper. Oh my god, I love pepper. Okay, who is really next? Okay. It's peas, dude. And French peas. Peas are evil. I don't like peas. There! Oh look! Tommy Ketchup comes in mustard ketchup. No, he doesn't. I call him mustard ketchup. Okay, to go with pepper, we got Sally Shakes. Okay, we got Peachy Bum. No, he isn't. Just saying that because he's a good